Hey, this is Nimish and I'm building my SaaS in public. The reason why I'm building a SaaS is because I feel it's the highest leverage activity that you can do to build a business right now. And the second part, why I'm building it in public, I feel that it creates a win-win scenario where people who are watching this content, people like you, get to learn from the mistakes that I am doing right now or I would do down the line. And I get early customers or early feedback from people like you on the products that I'm building. Well, I started on this journey, I wanted to be very sure with two things. First one is that I wanted the area or the problem to be something that I have faced myself in the past. That gives me a lot of leverage while building the product because I know that what works or not. And that at least gives me one user if no one else wants to use my product. Second part is that I want the problem to be a painkiller. I wanted to solve a problem that actually creates business impact. And by that, I mean revenue impact. So something that drives up maybe any metric that translate to revenue directly. Started on this journey almost a month back. I built a first product in the last 15 days where I started with a product that I built for a hackathon. So this hackathon was done as part of a community called Senior Software Composer. It's ran by Riley Brown. During this hackathon, I built out a product called Internal Linking AI. What this platform does is that it just goes through your website, it creates a knowledge base, and then it recommends you pages you can internally link with each other and actually execute all of that for you as well. The reason why I picked this problem is one, because this is a problem that I've faced myself. I have been a growth marketer for the last 3 years, and I was majorly working on driving traffic from organic sources. So while looking out for solutions in the market, I saw that there are some solutions, but there are major challenges with them. First one, these solutions does not exist for all platforms. These exist for platforms like WordPress, but not for platforms like Notion or Webflow that a lot of people use as their CMS. Even at my last company, I was using Webflow as the CMS. Talking about the second part of the problem, that is that all of these platforms call themselves automatic, but are highly manual. You have to put in the keywords, you would have to put in the anchor statements that you would want to use, and basis that it gives you recommendation, which is actually not automatic and is very prone to error. And the third part is, although these tools gives you recommendation for a new blog that you write on the website, it does not keep on automatically updating all the content and giving you recommendation on the content that you published, let's say a year back, which is very important for repositories which have more than 500 blogs. So far, I've built out the first version of this product, which basically contains a landing page and a MVP, which just shows you how the product works. Right now I'm focusing on distributing the product because I feel that building the product is 20% of the journey and 80% is actually getting feedback, getting customers for the product, and actually seeing that if there is money making potential with an app. So that is what I'm focusing on. I'm referring to a checklist that John Rush created on his Twitter account. By the way, John Rush is a solopreneur who has created almost 100 products. 30 of them are making really good revenue. You should check him out totally if you are into building SaaS products. So yeah, those are the things that I've worked on so far and the plan for the next week. I will see you in the next episode of this series. Bye bye.